There he is. Golden bear. It's the flowers though, dude. We even have a golden bear.
Yeah, how are they trying to be flexing on all these bears? They don't even have a bear on the sign.
There's some flowers. Like, good job, California. You're so damn soft now. You have flowers. You have bears. Bears are badass, dude. Now you have flowers. Sounds pretty hippie.
As we're coming from Washington.
Look at this to me, dude.
Oh, I'm cutting all that out. No, I'll just bleep it. I'll just bleep it. Yeah, I'll just bleep it. I'll leave it in there.
Oh shit! They're gonna be like,
yeah,
dude.
I'm not trying to. This ain't no political channel.
Oh my god.
There's only one kind of bear they like down here.
Oh, I did say Sacramento, which is 260 miles away.
So we got what, 8 hours left?
Yeah, we got damn near 8 hours.
It said Redding was 122, and Redding's pretty far north still.
Yeah.
Super far north.
Sacramento's north.
Damn. 2 hours to Redding.
You gotta grab that lower gear, dude. Hit that brake, dude. Spool it for the camera, dude.
What do we gotta do?
Literally hit the exhaust brake.
And like,
oh, dude, the camera sucks, dude. I hope that they could hear that.
Slow us down.
Yeah, I was about to say, we're about to park it on the highway.
We're about to park it, dude.
The exhaust brake is too good.
I mean, I started with 8, so I only drank 6, but whatever.
Roundabout for sure.
I only drank 6.
That one's
because I thought I was gonna die, low-key. 24 hours in a roundabout is not good for you, or your heart, or your body, or your mind, your soul.
You will like hit this one shifting for sure, so that's not
Greatest comment about the whole roundabout thing ever. Some guy, I don't know who he was, I think it's like the most hater on the whole channel. Something Vito, I don't know, Don Vito.
Vito's.
He said there's no way Fatty could have gone 24 hours without shitting. Well, I did.
You just gotta get plugged up full of cheese first.
Bro,
Yeah, that was all
what I
those
did.
Parmesan cheese chip things.
It was, dude, that's all we ate.
Keto cheese chips.
Like,
Is that what it
It's
is?
either he's gonna let you go without asking a single question, or he's gonna ask you about fruit. You got any fruit in the vehicle?
Inspections.
wait, is that a red light? Like,
No, you're gonna go to the stop sign. Go to the stop sign. I'm curious if he's gonna let us go or ask about fruit.
Thank you.
Oh, he just let us go. No biggie. Just like that.
12:05 in the morning.
What are you
pizza.
crushing right now? What is that? Is that a full piece of pizza?
Mm-hmm.
5 a.m. piece of pizza,
Oh.
dude? Not
like
bad.
$6.
Not a bad
should've
move.
bought
I
the
mean,
whole
that's, yeah,
pizza.
that's so expensive.
For
That's like
$8.
Little Caesars right there. That's a whole Little Caesars.
Trucker life, dude.
Oh, Matt's got to crawl up the truck.
Yeah.
Paired phones.
Paraphone.
Please say a 4-digit PIN number.
Gotta love stubborn Bluetooth
Please say a
system.
4-digit PIN number.
Oh my God, I've heard that like 40 times. I had to bust the camera out.
That's all on camera.
Dude, finally daytime.
Oh my gosh.
How many birds though? How many birds?
Millions.
We saw millions
There's
of birds. All right, everybody, we're a couple hours away from Willow Springs Raceway, and it's beautiful down here. I would never move here. I am not a fan of California, but damn, it is beautiful down here. I'm just gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna roll my sleeves up and I'm gonna accept the vitamin D. Please, sun, give me more vitamin D. We don't get this in Seattle. Yeah, that's Noriaro.
Yeah.
I can't. You're gonna have to pull up, dude. I can't see this guy. I don't even know.
Pull up for the stance from behind. Oh,
Just the rears are hella wide.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, dude, this thing is
And
sick.
he's got a dog. Hell yeah.
That thing is pimp, dude. Is that turbo? Did you hear that? Did you hear his spooling?
Yeah.
I think he's turbo. I heard noises that weren't supposed to be
He
there.
got on it a little bit, dude. It was like. Think about it like
Oh, he has different ones. Oh yeah, that's his whole like
the
stacker
toter
set.
set.
Damn, whose toter's that?
That's the McLaren race teams.
Oh, jeez. It shouldn't be filmed.
Carbon tub, it's LS3.
What's up with these upper ones?
Those are ones that were built here. These are Super Sport MK2s. They run a Chevy Ecotec 2.2, 450 horsepower.
Are they
Nice.
all-wheel drive?
Rear wheel.
What do they do those?
You just said this is a $200,000 car.
Yeah. It's a vintage series. You can't get even if the cars were direct injected anymore.
Like a twin screw.
Yeah,
But
so
actually,
they
like,
don't
straight
have
rotors.
Yeah, which is not as effective.
They're kind of like paddles.
Let's like what
Project check, baby.
what is this?
This was a Cushman that I had this wild idea to build a full pit cart on the back. So it holds 8 wheels and tires. Has the 25 gallons of fuel, 30 gallons of air. Have my totes that go in the back here. Has air wheel, 2 snap-on boxes. Got my TV up here for live stream.
Wow. Fancy.
Yeah.
Fancy schmancy.
Got all the lights on it so you can run at night. It has a full body kit for it, but this is definitely Pro-Am status. Trying to turn it
the
to
Pro-Am?
Pro 3 status. That's what I'm trying to do. Hey, I'm giving these tourists a tour. Can you believe that? Oh yeah. Yeah.
The tourists tour.
So here's Big
You ready,
Willow
boys?
right here to our right.
Giving us the tour.
Up here, the Omega is coming.
The Rob I wanted to hear. Come on, Rob.
No, this is the Rob we needed and we're expecting.
Be responsible, kids. Be responsible.
Are you ready? We just been driving all day like this.
Oh,
We
he's
didn't
just
even go down
flexing on the
mountain pass.
exhaust
We
brake.
didn't even go
dude.
down mountain pass and brakes. We just did this the whole
That probably
time.
sounds
This is
hella
a
good with all the
controlled
windows
deceleration
open.
right here.
Dude, we're getting a straight up private tour of Willow Springs.
Look at the hills too.
Go straight to the vents.
Yeah. So right here's the entrance to it, but you park up to the fence.
It says, whoa, Nelly.
What one?
This is Horse Thief.
Mile.
This is a mile?
So
This is so
just the
pimp.
access road for it. So we have one of the circle tracks over here as far as you can see. We have the concrete oval, which is the speedway over here to the left. And right in front of us, this is the longer section of streets of Willow, where you can run all the way around. You see those orange barriers is the furthest place. Going around, and they have about 4 different configurations of this track they can have here that goes all the way down to the paddock. They use the paddock as part of who runs the tracks. This is only per rental. The track doesn't want any.
They got 240s down there, bro.
Yeah, this is Drift 101 and Drift School, US Drift School Academy is both located here at the track.
Let me get the keys to that white 14.
Oh, they're in it.
They're in it.
They're in it.
Oh, they're in it.
Beautiful.
Into the sunset.
Yeah, beautiful.
Into the
Beautiful.
sunset. Woo! Am I
Oh,
eating
look
the
at
sun?
look at Rob. Yeah, look at Rob in the sunset right now, dude.
Oh, shit.
Brake check, brake check, brake check, brake check, brake check, brake check.
Going the right way?
This rear toe is so off that it's.
Not even bolted on. They're
Yeah,
not
Rob, this is your job. This is why this is here.
Are we not gonna fall off the trailer, right?
Well, I'm turning it this way because I'm trying.
Slow down, slow down, slow down.
Team Shambles. You keep that wheel on that ramp.
Slow.
Well, you're the one.
He's on brake
You
duty.
know what I'm breaking. Guys, slow it down. Coming to you. You on me?
It's brown. That's the only one Walmart had.
This is like Orion's wheels.
Yeah. Definitely about that color.